Hi, this is Bob, and today I'm gonna show you a day in the life of Bob and Benj 2 by Bring It On Films. Here goes nothing. La 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 la. It's a normal day in the life of Bob. La la la. Hey Benji, I have to go to the car already. Bye. Oh my gosh, what happened to my car? Oh, are you sure it's not? Really isn't. Mommy, a hamburger! Ouch! That hurt. It's a hamburger! Yummy, that was a Krabby Patty.